There was a time when the greatest power in the world was not the sword, but knowledge. Nearly 1,000 years ago, on the plains of eastern India, stood a place unlike anything the world had ever seen. Its name was Nalanda University. Students came here from China, Tibet, Korea, Persia, walking thousands of miles, not for wealth, not for conquest, but for wisdom. Nalanda was not just a school, it was the intellectual heart of the ancient world. By night, oil lamps glowed across massive courtyards. Inside its libraries were millions of handwritten manuscripts on mathematics, astronomy, medicine, philosophy, and the nature of reality itself. The libraries were so vast they had names of their own: Ratnasagara, Ratnodadhi, Dharmaganja. Some historians say Nalanda's knowledge was centuries ahead of its time. But history is often decided not by those who create knowledge, but by those who fear it. In the year 1193, a cavalry force approached Nalanda. At its head was Bakhtiar Khilji. He was not a scholar. He did not understand learning. To him, knowledge was not power, it was a threat. His soldiers stormed the campus. Inside, monks were still teaching. Students were still reading. They had no idea this would be their final lesson. Fire was set to the buildings, then to the libraries, and what happened next still echoes through history. Nalanda's libraries burned for 3 straight months, not hours, not days, 3 months, because the books were endless. Ancient medical texts describing surgeries and treatments now lost forever. Mathematical theories that vanished before the modern world could rediscover them. Philosophical ideas that asked questions humanity still struggles to answer today. All of it turned to ash. A few monks escaped, carrying fragments of memory and pain. But most of Nalanda's knowledge was gone. That night, a university was destroyed. But more than that, humanity lost centuries of understanding. Today, when people ask why ancient civilizations disappeared from history, the answer is often simple. They didn't fail, they were burned. Nalanda no longer stands, but its silence asks us one haunting question. What kind of world would we live in today if knowledge had been allowed to survive?